In this video, I'll show you how to buy stocks on Webull, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To buy stocks on Webull, first make sure you have a Webull account, because you'll need one to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see several options at the bottom of the app. Tap the center button, located right in the middle at the bottom, to view your portfolio and see all the positions that you currently hold. To buy a stock, tap on the Markets button, which is usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to a screen showing all the available markets. At the top right corner, you'll see a magnifying glass icon. Tap on this magnifying glass to search for the company or ticker symbol you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy Key Bank, type in Key E and select the stock from the search results at the top of the screen. You will now see the current stock price, which is usually displayed prominently near the center of the screen. At the bottom left corner, you'll see the Trade button. Tap on this button to start placing your order. You will now see options for a limit order or a market order. A limit order lets you set a specific price you want to buy the stock at. For example, you can adjust the price by tapping the plus or minus icons located next to the price at the top of the screen. Then, select the quantity you want to buy using the input box located near the bottom center of the screen. You can also choose how long you want the order to last using the options displayed just below the quantity selector, and you can extend it into after-hours trading if needed. If you want to buy immediately at the current price, select the market order option. Enter the number of shares in the input box located near the bottom center, and the app will show the current market price at the top. Once everything looks correct, tap the Buy button located at the bottom left corner. A confirmation window will appear in the center of the screen, and after confirming, your purchase is complete. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.